This is Algebra 1, Lesson 26, More Complicated Equations. We're going to do examples 26.5 and 26.6. So here's another more complicated equation in 26.5. We are going to look at our terms, 1, 2, 3 on this side, 1, 2, 3 on that side. All right, let's see which terms are like on the left side. This has an n and this has an n. This is all alone and nothing matches. So let's combine the negative 7n plus the 2n, which would be negative 5n, and then bring down the plus 3 equals, we already said we only have 3 terms on this side, right? So let me highlight those. And let's see what we have as far as like terms on the right side. We have a 4n and a plus n. And the negative 5 doesn't have anything that goes with it. So let's combine the 4n plus the 1n, which would be 5n, and then bring down the minus 5. We have just accomplished step 1. We have added the like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign. Now we're going to eliminate the variable on one side. We could add 5n to both sides, or we could subtract 5n from both sides. What does the book do? They subtracted 5n from both sides, or added a negative 5n to both sides. I would probably add 5n to both sides. Let's do it that way, and then you can compare it to how the book did it. Let's add 5n to make this go away. Let's add 5n. That leaves on the left side just 3 is equal to 5n plus 5n is 10n minus 5. We eliminated the variable on one side. Let's eliminate the constant term on the side with the variable. Here's the side with the variable. This is the constant term. We're going to get rid of it by adding it. That'll cancel. 3 plus 5 is 8 equals 10n. Now I'm going to solve for the variable. They're multiplying n by 10, so let's divide by it. 8 divided by 10 is a fraction. You could simplify that by dividing the top and the bottom by 2 and get 4/5. Or you could have said, well, 8/10. I know how to write that as a decimal. That's just 8/10. Either of those answers are acceptable. In the book, they left it as a fraction. And they did simplify, didn't they? All right, let's look at 26.6. Another complicated equation. All right, so let's look at our steps. We're going to simplify by adding like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign. Let's look at our terms. Here's 1, 2, 3. This matches with this, same variable. And that one doesn't have, that constant doesn't have anything that matches it. So let's combine the 2x plus the 7x, which would be 9x. Bring down the minus 5 equals. Let's identify our terms on the right. There's 1, 2, 3. The ones that are like are the first and the third one. That's the 5 and the 10. The 3x doesn't have anything that matches it. 5 plus 10 is 15 plus 3x. I often tell students this is like sorting socks. Right? You're trying to make matches, put them together, what matches. All right, let's see, step 2, eliminate the variable on one side. What are our options? We could subtract 9x from both sides or subtract 3x from both sides. Well, we've got to subtract, okay? No other option. But I would rather subtract a smaller number, so let's subtract 3x from both sides. Now let me look at your book. Is that what they did? They did. They subtracted 3x from both sides. We get 6x minus 5 equals 15. We just accomplished step 2. Step 3, eliminate the constant term on the side with the variable. Here's the side of the equation with the variable. Doesn't matter whether it's left or right. You just look to find the variable, okay? And what's the constant term there? It's that minus 5. So let's get rid of it by adding 5. Then I get 6x is equal to 20. Step 4 says solve for the variable. They are multiplying the variable by 6. Let's divide both sides by 6. X is equal to 26th. And I can simplify that by dividing by 2, and that's going to be the same as 10 thirds. And our answer in the book matches.